Alright guys, we're back into another video. We are playing this game. It's called Press the Button 7.
The most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life is the vine and a knife next to a vine and a knife.
That was weird. Space rocket. Where'd they go? Oh, they're up there. Oh, well, they just died. Okay. Earthquake. Oh, I know this one. It's just so laggy. So, like, horrible at parkour. I'm horrible at parkour, chat. I'm on computer. One of my it's just so laggy. That's the thing. I have the McDonald's Wi-Fi. Yeah. Embarrassing. That was so embarrassing. Bro. Bro. Why are we up here? Oh. Bro. Oh my god. You know, I'm just gonna drink some coffee while I'm waiting. I'm just gonna drink some coffee. I'm honestly done. I'm done. Okay, I got a regeneration coil. We're all Flash. I'm not a Flash. Man. Wow, the game just roasted me. The game just kind of roasted me. It's kind of insane. I'm sorry if I haven't been posting videos lately. It's just I'll be aware of tsunami. I'm bad at this one because I'm on computer. But if I'm like on mobile or something, I'm like hella good. I'm not so good on computer. Oh no, the thing's just pulling me down. And then there's like this jump, which it's just kind of horrible at. Oh my god! I need to get it's either I need to get better Wi-Fi or a better mouse. I need to get a better Wi-Fi or mouse. I don't know. Okay, this one I cannot die. Tacos. Yeah, I love tacos, but it's just never mind. Alright. Choose a color. Yellow. No, never mind. It's always blue. It's always blue. I knew it. My cousin literally showed me this game and he said it's always blue. I don't know why I choose yellow though. I just got ran over by Thomas the Train. Pizza. Oh, can I pick it up? Like, can I get it? No? What's the point? Ooh, the shop. What's in the shop? Oh, I'm rich. I could get... Never mind. I want to get this, but it's just not... It's just like... Oh my god. Wait, there's pets in the game too? I should have just got one. Pet Dragon 500? Oh my god, I could buy a wolf. You know, we'll be spending my money later. We'll be spending it. We'll be spending the coins later. Wait, I should... Why the hell am I up here? Oh, last time I died on this round, so... Sorry guys. Sorry. Oh yeah. I'm not supposed to be banging on the table. I'm somewhere else. I'm not at home right now. Not at my desk. Usually I am. So that's why my internet kind of sucks, even though it already kind of sucks. So I don't need a Google Assistant. I don't need a Google Assistant. Okay. Trampoline. Oh wait, what is that? Oh, there's a Bitcoin. Like a big, not Bitcoin, I mean a big coin. Sorry. Oh, never mind, somebody else already got it. Oh my god. Yeah, wow. Alright, I'm gonna turn on shift lock. My internet sucks, chat. This is so embarrassing. I feel like I should go get my other mouse. This mouse is selling the hell out of me. Wait, what time is it? Oh, 11:44. Oh my god. Just woke up like 30 minutes ago, so pretty tired. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I forgot that it explodes, but I guess I already did explode, but it's just whatever. I pressed the button. Don't get hit by the missiles. Where's it? Oh, I know the missiles. It's like those little tiny things. Where's my missile? Oh, it's right there. I see it. Where the hell's my missile? Where's my missile? Where is my missile? I just randomly just died. I literally have no missile, and I just died. Kind of insane. Avoid the lasers. What lasers? Oh, those lasers. I think there's more. And then it comes right back. Wait, the lag is actually saving me? It's making me jump. What the hell? It says make it to the other side. What? This lag. Flip my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna turn into a noob if this helps with anything. Although it's probably not gonna help. Oh, kind of. Skip. The hell, man? What the hell? I'm not willing to like get on my computer as soon as I wake up, but I haven't posted, so that's probably the reason why I'm in this game. Anyways, do you guys like kitties? It's just, I don't know. No, kitties are cute, but I don't like this one. This is like my worst one. Oh my god. After this one, we'll be ending the video. Oh my god, which I'm probably not gonna do. 90% of the time I fail. Because I'm on freaking computer. Only if I had better Wi-Fi. I'm sorry for blaming everything on the Wi-Fi, but it's just the Wi-Fi. I'm done. Man, I'm done. I'm done. No, I'm not escaping this prison. I'm not breaking out. I'm getting sentenced to 10 more years in prison. Anyways. Hurry, yellow platform. Bruh. Yeah, I'm dead. Anyways, if you guys have not subscribed, make sure to go like and subscribe. And bye.